Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today is April 28th and this is how the build project here in Cebu, but I will be only showing you only the development of the new bridge. This bridge is the link between Cebu and Cordova, a project that will be going to be a landmark here in Cebu. This is the Cebu Cordova linked expressway, a 30 billion project connecting mainland Cebu from Cebu City to Cordova town in Mactan Island. This bridge can increase economic activities in Cebu and throughout the Visayas. A 8.5 kilometer that has 2 lanes in both directions and a 51-meter navigational clearance for shipping traffic. It can serve 50,000 vehicles per day and expected completion date is this year, 2021. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video, and for more, please like this video. Thank you so much for watching.